And I heard it's gonna rain today. Water honey. And I heard it's gonna rain today, so make sure that there's no delay. Don't you stop, not even to pray, 'cause I heard it's gonna rain today. What'd you think?
It's alright, I guess.
Well, if you think it could be better, could you give me a hand with it? Hello?
What?
I said maybe you could help me with this so we can get this done faster.
You're funny.
In what way was that funny?
All this music crap is your dream, not mine, Don.
And who was the one who told me to do all this? Joe!
What? Can't you just let me enjoy this?
Just go somewhere else. I don't want you around me.
Fine. Whatever you say.
And I heard it's gonna rain today, so make sure that there's no delay. Don't you stop, not even to pray, 'cause I heard it's gonna rain today. What'd you think?
Didn't you just say that?
No.
Weird.
What did you think of it? Could you give me a hand with it?
Okay, now I know you're playing with me. How funny.
In what way was that funny?
Drop the act on. The joke's finished.
I don't know what kind of act you think I'm putting on, but you better take yours somewhere else, or you can give me some help.
All this music crap is your dream, not mine, Don.
Then just leave. I don't want you around me.
Fine. Whatever you say.
'Cause I heard it's gonna rain today. Hello? Did you hear me? What'd you think of it?
I have heard you every time you've said it.
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb with me. It's not funny anymore, Don.
I don't know what you mean.
The rain. You keep singing that it's gonna rain. The same verse over and over.
No, I don't. Joe, there's something wrong with you.
Yes, there is.
Cause I heard it's gonna rain today. Joe, what are you doing?
I need to get out.
Today. What are you doing? Cause I heard it's gonna rain today.
Don't you remember?
Remember what? Pray, cause I heard it's gonna rain today. It's gonna rain today. Is everything all right?
No,
Why not?
you wouldn't understand.
Come on, I can help.
No, you can't. you'll just forget it all over again.
Do you want to help me with this or not?
I don't have it in me. Can you get me a drink of water? I'm kind of thirsty.
Can't you get it yourself?
I'm so tired. Can you please just go get it?
I guess.
Hello?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What? How did you... Who is this? You've never called before.
You've never tried to kill yourself before, Joe.
Well, I've lived this day 100 times. I'm trying all my options.
Not all of them. You know, I really thought you would have realized it by now, but it's time to grow up.
You've been doing this to me?
Yep. Until you learn your lesson, it's going to keep happening.
Is this God?
Who knows? By the way, don't do that. Death doesn't reset.
'Cause I heard it's gonna rain today.
Maybe it is time for a little change. Maybe this'll give us a chance to both bloom a little bit.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Could you help me with this?
Yeah, I guess so.
Can you grab my other guitar from over there?
I don't know, bro.
Just go get it, man. I'm not going anywhere.